Are you tired of scheduling headaches and nachos? Integrating Typeform with Calendly is a simple way to collect crucial information before your meetings and improve your meeting's attendance rate. First, log into your Calendly account and navigate to the Integrations page. This is usually found in your account settings. Scroll down or search for the webhooks integration and click on it. Webhooks allow Calendly to send data to other apps, including Typeform. Now, switch over to your Typeform account. Open the form you want to use and go to the Connect tab. This is where you'll find the webhook settings. Find the webhooks option and click on it. Copy the webhook URL provided by Typeform. This is the key to connecting the two platforms. Return to your Calendly webhooks integration page and paste the copied Typeform webhook URL into the endpoint URL field. Select invitee created for the events to subscribe to, so the Typeform will trigger when the Calendly event is booked. Click Enable and then test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. You can do this by creating a test booking in Calendly. Now, when someone books an event with you, they'll be directed to your Typeform to fill out before the event is confirmed. This simple addition can drastically improve the quality of your meetings.